These protesters are angry, clashing with police as outrage grows over the horrific gang rape and death of a 19-year-old woman from one of India's lowest castes. And it has mobilized people across India.
This child was only 19 years old. She was gang raped and murdered. This government keeps saying across the country that save daughters, educate daughters, but it's not walking the talk. In fact, these incidents are happening more in those states where BJP is ruling.
The victim's body was cremated in the early hours of Tuesday morning against the wishes of her family. She was gang raped and her tongue cut off and her spine broken just over 2 weeks ago and died in hospital from her injuries earlier this week. While the case is horrific with unspeakable brutality, what's also sparking outrage is that she belonged to the Dalit community, the lowest rung on India's caste system. Her alleged attackers, now arrested by the police, all from a higher caste.
Every crime is being concealed. Dalits are being oppressed, and there is no voice from the government's side against systemic oppression. The administration is not taking action against that.
Now the authorities have imposed a curfew in the village to contain the demonstrations.
All borders of Hathras have been sealed, and apart from that, we are also in touch with the neighboring villages.
At the center of this crisis is a burning question of India's inequalities due to caste. The centuries-old system divides Hindus into a rigid hierarchy based on their occupation. As a result, privileges are enjoyed by the upper caste while the lower castes have been oppressed. In 1948, discrimination on the basis of caste was banned by Indian law, but the system continues to exist today with devastating social effects, such as extreme discrimination, repression, and violence. Many Dalits say they are denied equal protection under the law because of prejudice. They say the reason this girl was killed was because she was Dalit. But there are caste deniers who believe the killing and the caste of the victim are unrelated. In India, a woman gets raped every 15 minutes, making it one of the worst places in the world to be female. In the case of the Dalit victim, many believe the crime is used as a weapon to oppress Dalit women, so that they are never able to climb up the social hierarchy.
There is not only outrage in Uttar Pradesh, but there is an outrage in the entire country. The more the Chief Minister will be negligent in taking decisions, the more dangerous the consequences will be. The victim's family is not alone. We are with the family.
The question for the world's largest democracy is, do Dalit lives matter?